Hi, welcome back to part 4 of the unboxing review of Takara Tomy and Hasbro's Transformers War for Cybertron Siege Trilogy lineup. All about its Topshot in Flak, Battle Patrol, WFC S6. So, continuing on with the instructions, where we last left off was with Topshot here. And all this thing is just, let's see if we can get the camera to focus. There you go, just take the little arms, pull them back. And there is little tabs on here. As you can see right there, that little brown tab. That will tab into the arms. Just like that. And there you go. There is Topshot. All put together. He has little wheels. And he wheels okay. Next up is Flak. Like, you know, a flak jacket. Which was like one of Call of Duty perks in Call of Duty Ghosts. His head sculpt, not much to laugh, but definitely I'll say probably a little bit better than Topshot. I don't really know what this guy reminds me of. I know the greenish colors kind of reminds me of Hardhead and a little bit of Quake, which was just the weak color and new head sculpt of Hardhead. Now I know some people might say he might be a little bit like Warpath, and he kind of looks a little Warpath-ish, but not really. But anyway, I know inside here he does not have any actual hands. He kind of has something that kind of looks like little fingers, but the little wheels, they get in the way of the actual hands. I mean, at least this one had kind of molded hands in there. Now, I do know for a fact that toyhats.com, there's still only a little sticker sheet that you can put inside here, which is kind of odd. On the right side, they're housing like big anti-tank shells. And on the left side, there's like little tiny small caliber bullets. So it's like weird. You have shells on this side and bullets on this side, which is what the stickers are showing. I mean, the stickers will really bring this out and pop nicely. So for arm rotation, he's kind of limited to just about that. Legs can go back as most that I could see from any other of these little Micromasters. This one's got the most backwards laid range. And forward, out to the side. Yes, he can do the splits. Now, this one, wow. Wow, they actually managed to fix the little ball joint on the legs. Because, I mean, this one, you could bend the little legs, the knees, and the whole entire leg does not bend. Comes off. Because I'm so tired of seeing these ones. They have ball joints on the freaking legs that they just pop off easily when you try to bend the legs to transform them into vehicle mode and stuff. It's horrible. Where they need to take a metal pin or a little metal rod and run it through there. But this one, I actually got it pretty right. So anyway, just saying, just kind of leave him like a dull little Brit, kind of. Take his legs, tab them in. So there is little tabs here, and that little swap there. So just kind of tab it on in, like that. Next is to take the little head, just knock it down. Take this big tank body, pull it up from the little bat, and turn her around. See these little kind of tabs there? They're tab in over here. Just kind of bring it up, over. Now, when I say tab in, they don't actually tab completely in. They more of sit and rest on there. So you think that this will actually tab in. No, they kind of just like sit in there. They don't actually tab in. I mean, at least the feet tabs in together up here, but to tab into the body, nope. I mean, really, doesn't have any good paint apps on the front here. I mean, this looks nice, and again, because of the little wheels, it could kind of roll a little bit, but not that much. Now let's transform this into its weaponized mode, which is the Electro-Ravage Neuro Blaster. To me, it looks like a big freaking missile launcher. Or, I guess somewhat a rocket launcher. Rocket, missile launchers. But Electro-Ravage Neuro Blaster? Yeah, I don't know. And then instead of tech spec cards, we got all that data on, the little stretch man, which is something different. Obviously, the little muscly fist, not fist, but the big muscle there means strength. This little target symbol, I don't know what the target symbol means. It can mean range, like how far out that you can see the enemy, or it could be range as how far out, you can actually hit the enemy. And this must mean like fire blast or something. So I'm guessing the little crosshair means target, like how far you can see the enemy. Well, I'm guessing the little thing that looks like a little projectile, like arrow, that's being fired means how far you can actually hit them with it. So to kind of give you like ideas, like if you're playing basketball, at the free court line, you can see the hoop, but if you throw the ball, is the ball actually going to go in there, or do you have to straight to the hoop and slam dunk that thing? That's what I'm saying. The difference between the little crosshair and the little thing that looks like arrows being shot with an explosion in the background. Kind of weird. Anyway, so we take Topshot, pull it up, then we just kind of, a little hard here. I was just kind of moving the arms out and then wiggling out its legs, which again, it pops off. When did you know that? And then just reattach it. Keep them straight, I guess. Keep the arms as is. Now they're saying take it, and of course with autumn, the legs pop off. They're supposed to rotate. From the little waist. I'll just say grab the waist and pop one leg off, because they don't need legs. They don't need legs. They don't deserve any legs. Anyway, rotate the little waist. Reattach the leg that's saying a metal pin, metal little wire going through the legs, but solve that problem. Come on, Hasbro, Takoi Tomy. You know what I'm talking about. Kind of keep him as is, and then fold the new legs up and over his body. Okay. So kind of give him trot face, reverse feet legs. And then these are supposed to, let's get that a little better. These are supposed to tab over here somehow. Yeah, they don't tab. That's what I'm noticing in a lot of these. Whenever they have these whole tab things, they just don't really want to tab in. They kind of want to do their own thing and go all over the place, which is really stupid. To have something that looks like tabs, but it doesn't tab, they just kind of sit there and rest together. So, yeah, you have this part. Now for this little fella, all we do is take the feet, straighten them out again. Or, do we straighten them out? what do we do here? Take the feet, put them back. Grab the front. Push the front up like this. And then we rotate it like this. Grab this little pad here. Pop that out. And that part is done. Then we just take these two and slide them on in. Attaching that little pad into the pad hole. These look like they would snap into somewhere up here. That these little things would tab into. I noticed with a lot of these, what looks like a tab just sits. They don't actually tab. So somewhere someone's got to tell them and they got to fix that problem here. So yeah, these, they need to make the grooves longer, and they need to make the tracks bigger. There need to be tabs there. Some of these pads need to be cut down. Some of these actually need to have little tabs to tab in to secure in weaponized mode. But there it is in Electro Neuro Blaster mode. Or, because of how the feet are with all these little holes and stuff, I'm going to call it Missile Rocket Pod Launcher. Bring in Skytread. And come on, hold your little weapon. And he can hold the weapon. Which actually doesn't look too bad compared to some of these other ones. Can he tab it in? No, he can't really tab them into his arms. I know the other one, the little patrol one, was stay out and red heat. They could tab into this arm and shoulder.